Hey guys, guess what? Not every time you use any of our reward partners like Uber, Uber Eats, inDrive, Mr. Delivery, and Bolt, you earn rewards that save you money on your next remittance order. That's right, shop, ride, or dine, and you get a discount on sending money to your loved ones.
To view your rewards, click on the notification button and check your rewards tab. Easy!
Let's quickly walk through how to create this remittance order and unlock these amazing rewards. Step 1. Open your HelloPaisa app and tap on the Send Money tile. Step 2. Create a new recipient by filling in their details. Step 3. Click on the Send button next to the recipient and enter the amount you wish to send. Step 4. Tap on Calculate and choose the QPR rate to save cash if you have funds in your HelloPaisa bank account, or select the Pay Later option. Step 5. Click on Send Cash. You'll see the reward being added to the amount you send. Step 6. Finally, click Confirm and continue to complete your order. And here's the best part. You get 10% back on the amount you spend with our reward partners, up to a maximum of 250 Rand for your next remittance order. Imagine savings stacking up every time you ride, eat, or shop. So remember, whether you're on the move or relaxing at home, HelloPaisa is here to help you send money smarter and save more. Download the app today, enjoy the rewards, and join the movement of smart remittance.